Hi.
Mama, look, I've got my binoculars.
Nice.
See, I'm just like Sanjay. I can see very far.
Oh my God, dear Sanjay. Tell me, what are my sons, the Kauravas and the Pandavas, doing in Kurukshetra then? Can I tell you what did Sanjay say?
Yes.
So once Dhritarashtra asked him, right, that tell me, what are my sons doing? What are the Pandavas doing? So Sanjay immediately zoomed into his Divya Drashti. Right? He went ahead and he said, there are the Pandavas, I can see them. And look at the massive army which is standing in some fancy formation.
Pattern?
All, yeah, like a pattern. Like Chakravyuh, they used to have many patterns, right? So they're all standing in a formation, ready to fight, ready for battle. Right? They're just waiting for the battle to begin. And on the other side, now where is Duryodhan, the leader of the Kauravas, right? He was like the Raja because Dhritarashtra was blind, he couldn't see. So Duryodhan was almost like the Raja and he was leading the entire
Yuvraj.
thing. Yes, right? So let's see what is he doing. There he is. And look at him. That's what Sanjay says in the second verse. Look at him. He seems to be looking at the Pandava army and he seems to be a little worried. Drishtva tu Pandavanikam vyudham Duryodhanastada. He looks at the Pandava army which is in this fancy formation and he seems to be a little worried. And you know what does he do? Acharyam upasangamya. He goes towards his Acharya. Who is his Acharya?
Dronacharya.
Yes, right? He was the teacher for the Pandavas and the Kauravas. So he walks towards Dronacharya and he speaks something. Vachanam abravit. Right, Raja? Vachanam abravit. Alright, say it after me.
Okay.
Sanjaya uvacha
Sanjaya uvacha
drishtva tu
drishtva tu
Pandavanikam
Pandavanikam
vyudham
vyudham
Duryodhanastada
Duryodhanastada
Acharyam
Acharya mupagam
Acharya
mupa
Sangamya
sangamya
Acharya Sangamya
Acharya mukha sangamya
Raja
Raja
Vachanamabravit.
Vachanamabravit.
Why do you think he went towards Dronacharya?
To seek blessings of his teacher.
Maybe. So we'll have to see what he says to Dronacharya. And that's there in the next verse, the third verse.
I'm so
Okay.
excited for the third verse.
Same, yeah. Let's see. So Duryodhan goes towards Dronacharya. And you know what he says? He says, my dear Acharya, respected teacher, did you see the mighty Pandava army that has been lined up by none other than your own great disciple,
Drishtadyum.
Drishtadyum, who's also the Senapati of the Pandava army? Why do you think Duryodhana actually named Drishtadyum when they were such great disciples, such great warriors who were there in Pandava army, right? There was Arjun, Bhim, Yudhishthira, all of them were Dronacharya's students. But Duryodhan chose to name Drishtadyum. What was so special about Drishtadyum?
Drishtadyum was Dronacharya's enemy's son.
Yes, he was Drupad's son, right? Dronacharya's enemy's son. But did they start out as enemies?
No, they were best friends.
Yes. So they went to the same school, they were classmates, like they used to go to Gurukul, right? So they were classmates and they were best of friends. Okay. In fact, probably they used to share dabba and all. Okay. And some sharing business. I think Drupad, who was the father of Drishtadyum, right? Friend of Dronacharya. He went ahead and he said, oh, I'm enjoying, you're such a great friend of mine. when I grow up and I become the king, I'm going to give you half my kingdom so that you can just rule over half my kingdom. Now, obviously, Drupad probably did not mean it, right? He just said it just like that. Sometimes we get happy and we say things, yeah. Right? But Dronacharya didn't take it lightly. He took it very seriously.
That is really going to happen.
Exactly. So when they grew up, now Drupad obviously went ahead, he became the king, he started ruling. Dronacharya was having meager means. He was not doing very well. He was not very rich, right? He was teaching little here and all. So what did he do? He remembered, my friend had promised me. I need to go
Get half my kingdom.
and get half his kingdom. And when he went to Drupad, what do you think happened?
Drupad said no.
Yeah. He said, what? Really? Come on. That was when we were children. We were young. Obviously, I did not mean that. Okay, you're not doing well. You want some help. I can give you something. Maybe I'll give you a cow. I'll give you some house. I cannot give you half my kingdom.
That's too much.
Yeah. So now, Dronacharya felt it was very insulting. And he decided, I need to take revenge for this. So, of course, he figured out something, right? He started teaching the sons of the kings, the prince, right? And that's how he started teaching the Pandavas and the Kauravas, right? But as soon as the Pandavas were a little ready and it was time for him to ask for the Guru Dakshina, right? He said to Arjun and the Pandavas, right? Like how you pay fees to the teacher. Just like that, in those times, teachers, after they finished the entire education, they would ask for Guru Dakshina.
Means their fees.
Their fees, right? So at that time, Dronacharya said, I want you to fight Drupad and get me back my half kingdom, which he had promised me when we were young, right? And that's how they fought the battle, and Dronacharya got half the kingdom, just as a revenge, because he wanted to avenge the
But
insult.
Drupad did not hand it over.
Is it?
He did not.
Okay.
Dronacharya took back the kingdom.
Okay. Yeah, so he won it, right? He won the kingdom in the battle. Okay, so now what happens when you actually revenge? When you have the feeling of revenge, what happens? It does not really end well. Because if I have the feeling of revenge, you will also have the feeling of revenge. So that's what happened.
If I
Now,
do something wrong to you, you will do something wrong to me.
exactly, it never really ends, right? So, what did Drupad do? After he lost half the kingdom, now he was filled with revenge. He said, now I need to avenge this. So he did some havan and puja and prayed to God. And finally, when Drishtadyumna was born, he had only one purpose in life. He was born
For that.
to kill Dronacharya. And Dronacharya knows that. But even then, when Drishtadyumna was taken to Dronacharya and they sought that Dronacharya should teach him, because after all he was a prince, right? So Dronacharya, can you please teach Drishtadyumna all the skills that a prince requires? You know what Dronacharya did?
He didn't teach him.
No, he taught him. He did not say no. Even though he knew that Drishtadyumna was born to kill Dronacharya. So everything he is going to teach, it will probably be used against him. But even then, Dronacharya agreed to teach Drishtadyumna only because it was his duty. Right? As a teacher, it was his duty to teach whoever came to him.
And asked
As
for
a prince,
skills.
yes. Right? He was the teacher to the prince. So he decided to teach him. And now, standing in this battlefield, Duryodhan knew that if he took the name of Arjun or Bhim, right, they were all Dronacharya's very favorite students.
They feel guilty. They feel guilty to fight him.
Yeah, Dronacharya will feel guilty because his love for them will come through. He will feel weak. He will not be able to fight an Arjun or a Bhim or these children whom he loves so dearly. Which is why very carefully what did Duryodhan do? He did not name Arjun or Bhim or any of these people. He chose to name Drishtadyumna, who was the Senapati of the Pandava army, standing right there, so that Dronacharya is filled with that feeling again,
That
right?
he
That
must-
aggression that he has to fight. He has to put up the best show, right? He has to fight in the best possible manner. Smart, no, of Duryodhan? And all of this problem because Drupad didn't realize how seriously his words were going to be taken. And this feeling of revenge, right? That never really ends. It just keeps going on and on and on and on and on.
Revenge is endless.
Yes. Yeah? Shall we see the verse?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, say it after me.
Okay.
Pashyaitam
Pashyetam
Panduputranam
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 Acharya
Acharya
Mahatim Chamum
Mahatim Chamum
Vyudham
Vyudham
Drupadaputrena
Drupadaputrena
Tava Shishyena
Tava Shishyena
Dhimata
Dhimata